So you say you draw a lot, things like that. So all you gotta do is stay consistent. First thing first to get an apprenticeship is your portfolio. They want to see how your work look. And once they see how your work look, then okay, then they'll be willing to teach you because they know where you at artistically. Like if you fall on where they need you to be at, they feel they ain't gotta show you how to draw. You already got those basic skills, and all they gotta do is transfer into tattooing, like pulling lines and things like that. But some people will pull people that really don't have no artistic talent. So best thing though, I said, build that portfolio up, and even if you been practicing tattooing already, you could just keep it on fake skin. A lot of people don't like to apprentice nobody that's been tattooed real people because they already got bad habits. So you don't want to start tattooing on people unless you for sure you're gonna kind of be pushing, doing this and learning on your own. But they got some people that can still take people in if you serious. You know, as long as you're serious, I don't think you have a problem because you could easily show your work, things like that. I used to be going all around showing people my sketchbook, boom, boom, sit in the shop and draw. So do some things like that. You got some shops, talk to them, just go sit around the shop and just draw around them at the shop if you got the time. And that's how you build a relationship with the shop and the artist that's there. Because before you know it, some of the artists will start helping you with some of the things. If they don't, just keep drawing, but they're gonna be liking your work that you're putting out and how consistent you're putting it out. You know, because some people will start, stop, start, and stop. You don't want that. They just want to see how consistent and how serious you are. Once you show them how dedicated you are to it, then yeah, it won't be no problem to take you in, most definitely.